Documentary and digital records are the objective paper trail of an investigation. Unlike human memory, which can fade or be influenced by bias, these records give us a factual, time-stamped account of what actually happened. When they're preserved properly, they become some of the strongest evidence we have, either supporting or challenging what people tell us. Let's walk through the major types of records we rely on. First, emails. Emails are often the starring evidence in modern investigations. They show intent, knowledge, and communication in real time. They can reveal harassment, discrimination, fraud, or even secret exchanges between people trying to hide their actions. Because email data is fragile and easy to manipulate, we always work with IT to retrieve the original files and examine the headers. Headers tell us where the email really came from, the IP address, and the path it took through the system. Screenshots or printed copies can be altered, so originals matter. Next, chat logs. With tools like Slack, Teams, and iMessage, a lot of workplace communication happens informally. Chat logs often show a more unfiltered tone, jokes, comments, or interactions that people would never put in an email. These logs are stored in specific directories, and they help us understand the nature of relationships, the tone of conversations, and the context behind complaints. Then we have system logs, the technical audit trail. Think of system logs as the organization's black box. They record events that users don't even realize are being tracked. Firewall logs show incoming and outgoing traffic. IDS and router logs help us identify suspicious activity. On individual computers, artifacts like the Windows registry or prefetch files show what applications were run, when they were run, and how often. These logs help us reconstruct timelines and detect unauthorized access or tampering. HR files also play a major role. Personnel records give us background intelligence past discipline, commendations, or similar complaints. Attendance records and schedules help us confirm whether someone was even present when an incident occurred. And sometimes supervisors keep working files, informal notes, or drafts that never made it into the official record. These can be incredibly revealing. Policies are another key source. They tell us what the organization expects, what rules apply, and whether the alleged conduct actually violates anything. Acceptable use policies are especially important because they define the employer's right to monitor digital activity. Policies also help ensure consistency. Similar conduct should lead to similar outcomes. Finally, all of these records must be handled with forensic rigor. Courts prefer original digital files, not printouts. We maintain a clear chain of custody so we can show who handled the evidence and when. And for digital media, we create a mirror image, a bit-for-bit copy, and do our analysis on that copy to preserve the original in its true state. So, documentary and digital records form the backbone of a defensible investigation. They give us objective facts, reliable timelines, and a solid foundation to test human testimony. When combined with human and other intelligence sources, they help us build a clear and accurate picture of what really happened.